Tuesday. First to know meteorologist Alexa Trischler has some rain on the way, though. Alexa, when are we going to need the umbrellas tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning is going to be a wet and soggy start to the day. A couple storms rolling through to begin our Wednesday. Morning hours through the early afternoon, that's the time frame for tomorrow's rain and storms. Will dry up tomorrow night, cooler and more comfortable on Thursday, and will warm up heading into this weekend. So once we get through tomorrow's rain, we'll trend dry the rest of the work week and heading into the weekend. Now tonight we do have mostly cloudy skies on the way. We should trend on the dry side tonight ahead of our next cold front coming in tomorrow morning. But it is going to be mild with increasing humidity. Low temperatures will be around 60 degrees. So that strong cold front is producing quite a bit of extensive severe weather in interior parts of the southeast. The good news, as that front gets closer to our area early tomorrow, it should be in a weaker form. Now, there is a very high-end risk for severe weather in parts of Mississippi and Alabama right now today. But the good news heading into tomorrow, we are only in a low and isolated severe risk for most of our viewing area. This is here highlighted in green. It's only a level 1 out of 5 because a couple of those storms tomorrow morning and the early afternoon might be able to produce some strong gusty winds and possibly a brief spin up. But I think that is going to be a very low end chance. Any brief spin ups should be confined to the Panhandle and the tri-state area west of the Flint and Apalachicola rivers tomorrow morning and during the early part of the afternoon. So here's what you need to know with your forecast and focus. Increasing cloud cover tonight. Here's that line of rain and storms moving in tomorrow morning. I think it'll approach our western areas by 9-10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then 10-11 o'clock, it'll be in Tallahassee, Thomasville area, producing some scattered pockets of heavier rain. It will continue to progress eastward during the afternoon. And then by the evening hours, I think we'll already start to see a drying and clearing trend, which will bring cooler, much more comfortable air and plenty of sunshine on Thursday. So good things do lie ahead, but we do have quite a bit of rain that could come for our western areas, maybe closer to 1 inch in our western communities, with lesser amounts expected headed east. So generally around a ½ inch is what we can expect across the area, and then the further east you go, probably around 1/4 to ½ inch. But it's all much needed rain, many of us still in drought conditions, so we'll take the rain that we can get it tomorrow. The only thing is it might come with a couple strong gusty winds, some pockets of heavier rain at times, and maybe, like I said, those brief spin-ups, very low end potential for that confined to our western areas west of the Apalachicola and Flint rivers, more so in the tri-state area, just so you know, for tomorrow morning and during the early part of the afternoon. That's really our only fun, action-filled day because the rest of the week looks good. Thursday morning, temperatures drop into the 40s. We'll only be in the upper 60s in the afternoon, looking so wonderful Thursday and Friday. Cool again Friday morning in the low 70s by the afternoon. We will warm up this weekend though, and it might feel a little more humid on Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 70s. We should trend dry all the way through. Stick around, we've got much more coming up right after this quick break.